Hello everyone, my name is Olivier Ishimwe, and this is my demo presentation for the BookSwap app. This is actually a mobile marketplace other or others can be able to list and swap textbooks with others. This application was actually using Flutter for the front end, and then while for the back end I used Firebase for the back end. I will be demonstrating how it handles and also CRUD operation and real time is also the Firebase and Flutter for both front-end and for backend as well. Without now further ado, let's now dive deeper into the application. I already have the account. Let's actually sign up and then we'll also log in after. I already have an account, but for the sign up, let's see what it does. So let's try to sign up, and then this is actually what we will be seeing. We'll be able to create an account as the user profile. Let's say maybe Mugishan. This is going to be the name to be displayed. Uh, for example, the email. Let's say the email is my email. Shime. I don't know if I did not before. But let me hope I didn't. This is my email. And then for the password, let's create a password. This has to be strong. And then we sign up. Okay, it has come now. As you can see, to check the email verification, and then we can check it. This is my email. Okay, that's checked. Okay, now let's go now back to the application. So as you can see, these are the books that I have already created. There is advanced frontend. It is good. And there is also Python for beginners. Then the author is Olivier Ishimwe, and there is also another sub pending as already done this. So let's now try to see if we can be able to add our own book. Let's see here if we can add another book, and then we'll see if it can be displayed there. Let's say maybe JavaScript script for beginners, if I may say, or beginners. Oh, like what? Let's call it English. Beginners is already there. Let's call it English. Mm, Maybe that is Shruti. And for the condition, we can say it's new maybe. And then we add a book. After we add a book, you can see the book was already added successfully. So as you can see, we can be able to delete it. See? Are you sure you want to delete this book? You can either click delete or whatever. Let's try to delete. So as you can see, the book was already deleted, and then another one. So because the book was already deleted, it is not going to be displayed on the browser. So let's try that one, and then we call it maybe math, and then the author is Didier. Let's call it like new maybe, and then the other book. So as you can see, the book was already added successfully. If you came, we will be able to see the book. This is it. So this is math. It was written by Didier, and it in like new as a condition. We can be able when we click it, we can be able to see the title, who wrote the book details. This is the like new, and it was listed on this date, as you can see. So uh, let's now try to go to. As you can see, there is no swap offers yet because I've not yet swapped with my peers, and there is chat. This is where maybe I'll be able to view the message or the inbox that I was get maybe from my peers, and there is also settings uh, which displays the user profiles, which is Ishimwe Olivier, this one, and there is a notification I'll be able to toggle, and there is email verification, which indicates that my email is not yet verified, and there is a recent email verification. I think this is it. We can be able also to log out as we log out. So and then when we log out, we'll be able to, we'll be to the welcome page, and then we will also be able to log in. Let's try to log in. Let's try to log in. Then we see. So this is it is going to take too long again. While it is coming, let me now be showing you like what my codes are. So I used uh, which is this one for the authentication, and then there is also a book details screen which shows how the users will be add, delete, and be able to see everything on their listing. Now let's now this the Firebase consolidation of mine. This is how I created my project. So this is my app. It's called my book app. Um, this is the authentication. Yeah, I don't know the reason why it is taking too long. My laptop is crashing. We will manage to do this. It has crashed, I think, but everything is is good. So as you can see, the user was able to log in again. We logged out and then we logged in as well as. So this is the user who logged in. It was the same user, and then as you can see, this is the new that we added. It is called Matt, and the author is DJ and everything. So this is the pending swap that I did. Without further ado, let me now take you through the Firebase settings of mine, and then you see how I did everything. So this the database. This is the Firestore database. It is actually storing this thing. It is storing books, swaps, and users. As you can see, this which is a DD. As you can see, we added DD as an author. You've seen that, and then it was created in this. This is what I said to be my Firebase things, so that it can be storing these things. So this is also that I also did, though it was a bit challenging because I was unable to. It was a bit challenging for me to know what to be enabled and what to what does not need to be enabled. So this is the that that I have. This is actually the one that I started when I was starting these assignments. So I had a lot of users. The first one, and it was not working. The second one until now. So this is actually the email that I created for me to make sure that everything is working. So let me now take you through the sign-in method that I used. So I said this one is going to be email and password as you see. So it is enabled, and as you can see here in my codes, so there is no anyone who can access this without being authenticated, like I mean without being logging in or out. So I think this is all for my demo. Working in this project, though it was a bit challenging, like the Firebase thing was not that easy, but through the help of in class and everything. So I've come to learn a lot from this, including the Firebase authentication and the login as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Olivier Ishimwe, as I said.